Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
So what's up, peeps? Today is a great day. You know what? Today is a great day because every day allows us to create what we want and write our own story on the path to our success. And I thought, what better way than to start off this week, start off this Monday, than with a nice brisk run up the mountain. So I am on a mountain at Rising Park, if you know where that is, and we're running today. And then we got a few things to do later on, so why don't you just come along with us, and we'll see what we can get into. I'll see you guys down at the bottom of the mountain. So, yeah.
Very good morning and welcome to the Breakfast News on Rajya Sabha Television this Saturday morning. I'm Ashwarya and these are the headlines.
Pow! What is going on, guys? It has been a while since I have seen y'all. I do apologize. Obviously, the last time that we spoke, we were working on the Mini, and sadly, the Mini is still not running. Hence the reason that I have not uploaded. So, if you have not been following my Snapchat, the reason that I have not uploaded recently is simply because I really don't want to just put in random filler content, and right now that's kind of what I feel like I'm at. Obviously the Mini has been broke now for probably close to 3 weeks, and I am waiting on parts, and hopefully I think today, I think within the next 2 to 3 days I will finally get the parts needed and we can start uploading again consistently. So expect the Mini build to be not build, but the Mini fix to be finalized here in the next 2 to 3 days. And with that being said, hopefully Saturday or Sunday we will be racing again. I'm hoping to find an event. I'm not really sure yet. I know there's one in Michigan. I just don't know if I want to travel all the way to Michigan, at least kind of on a whim. I like to be prepared for the events, so we will see. But either way, that is why I haven't been uploading, so I do apologize. But we are currently at Panera this morning. Cheers to everyone. And today we are going to be experiencing something that I've never done, at least specifically for this brand. We are going to a car show run by, I think it's called Esoterra Detailing. If I'm wrong, I do apologize. But either way, we're going to a detailing shop, and they're holding an open house with all their exotics, in which we are going to explore and go out and have a good time. I'm going with my bro Mitch and also Felix, and just have a good time, hang out, relax. So not really sure what to expect, but let's get to it. Let's see how good this car show really is. esoteric side of the car show. We showed up a little bit later. It was like, I think 10 to 2, and we got there about 1. So a little bit of the show was pretty much over, but we still saw some cool cars. I definitely say the 458 Speciale was really cool. And I guess they had like a deal with HRE or something, because they had more HR wheels than I've ever seen in my entire life. Overall, I'd say it was pretty cool to go and hang out. And Mitch is here as well. Mitch, what were your thoughts?
Oh, it was great. I mean, I wasn't really sure that it was a detailing convention, I guess what you could call it. But like, it was awesome to go up there and talk to all the guys from the different companies about their products and their services that they provide for the company and like the surrounding area. And it was especially cool for me since I'm kind of getting into the detailing section.
So if you don't know, he is starting his own detailing business. He's not full through it yet, but he's starting it, and that's the main part of it. So Mitch, tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
So mainly what I'm doing is more of like a mobile detailing service at this time right now. Starting up, getting the company brand, getting the websites and all the profiles up on social media. Zane's out here helping me out. So mainly what we're doing is obviously full interior and exterior details, waxings, clay bars, anything that you would need for your automotive needs, I guess. So yeah, that'll be up soon. We're hoping to get that within the next week or 2.
And where can they reach you at?
And you can reach me at the moment at my email. It's Mitchell, MITCHELL, Zombek, ZOMBEK, @gmail.com.
The link will be in the description, so reach out to my boy, help him out. He does great work. I've seen his work, so definitely help him out if you guys need any detailing. And I'm sure we should give him like a small discount for watching this video.
We could arrange something.
So
maybe.
if you watch this video, he'll give you a small discount. I guess I'll probably have to reimburse him for that loss in sale. But we'll do a small discount. So let's just hashtag ZCompany. So if you want Mitch's services, when you email him, you got to put hashtag ZCompany. And if you do that, he'll give you a small discount on your detailing. So hit him up. Mitch, any last words?
Stay classy.
Stay classy, you heard it here first. Hope everybody enjoyed that video. It was definitely a little bit different. I dove more into some editing techniques that I'm experiencing with. We will have a video up very shortly on the Mini. We are gonna get the Mini fixed this week, and hopefully we go racing Saturday. There's a race Saturday in Michigan I might be going out to if the Mini's done. We do have 2 events next week at Pitt Raceway and Pocono Raceway, so we will be back racing again. That is the reason for the delay in content, but we'll be back next week. I will see you guys very shortly. Peace out, and remember,
You create your own story.
bam!